morning, student. Today we will discuss the public sector enterprises. So before telling something to you, I would like to tell what is a public sector enterprises. Actually, these are those type of businesses which are managed and controlled by government. Government means central government, state government. Okay. So see here the meaning of the public sector enterprises. It is the business which is fully controlled by the government. So this is the public sector enterprises. And in the public sector enterprises, some businesses are running under the own department and under own board, like Postal and Telegram Department and Bhakra Nangal Control Board. They are run under its own board and its own department, but ultimate control by the government. Now we will discuss the features of public sector enterprises. Right, student? First feature is state ownership. State ownership. That means central government, state government or the local government fully controlled all the businesses which are called public sector enterprises. Right, student? For example, postage and telegram services handed over to the post and telegram department. Okay. Student, sometimes private sector enterprises also take the partnership in the government businesses, but at least 51% of the share are in the hand of the government and rest control are given to the private sector. So private sector may be the partner of the government, but 51% share are in the hand of government. Second is state control. State control. State control means the management and the ownership of the public enterprises are in the hand of the government. Okay. Some enterprises are established by the government under its own department, like Postage and Telegram Department, and some are run by Ministry of Communication. Telegram Department which are run by the Ministry of Communication. Okay, and some businesses are left to the independent boards like Bhakra Nangal Control Board, Hirakud Control Board, etc. But final control rests in the hand of government. Right? Financial freedom. Student, financial freedom. Almost all the financial needs of the public enterprises are met through the investment of the capital by the government. But now time, government can arrange the capital from the public. Okay? And basically government enterprises mostly get loan and capital from the public and satisfy the financial need. Okay? So next is service motive. In the public sector enterprises, the basic aim is to provide the service to the public. Okay? Rather to get the profit from the public. Okay? A private enterprise is established only when there is some possibility or hope of a profit, but government enterprise is established for the service of society even there is loss in the establishment. Okay? That means even loss is faced by the public sector enterprises, then these businesses also run because the motive is to provide the service to the public. Next is public accountability. So the government sector enterprises basically are accountable to the people, but the private sector enterprises are accountable only to the owner, but public sector enterprises are accountable to the public. Few people are elected as a representative and they check the performance of the public sector enterprises, and all the matter discusses in the parliament or in state assembly by the representatives. Bureaucracy in the management. Bureaucracy, that means in public sector enterprises are established by the government, their management is run by the administrative office. They run these enterprises in accordance with the rules and regulation. As a result, which the decisions are often inflexible. Actually, the decision in the public sector enterprises basically are in delay because very deep discussion and different views are taken. Finally, then decision is taken, and there is no chance to alter the final decision. So, bureaucracy in the management. Even small to small decisions are to be taken with fully discussion and with fully study. Harmonious industries relationship. Public sector enterprises basically provide the services to all the sectors. All the sectors. These enterprises adopt the policies which are the beneficial of their employees and customers and ultimately to the societies. So that's why due to this characteristics they have harmonious relations with all other parties. Second last is useful for all the sectors. Public sector enterprises are provide the services to all over the world. Example, Postage and Telegram Department provide the services to all the peoples, right? So due to this, we can say it useful for all the sectors. Last is monopoly in few sectors. Public sector enterprises have monopoly in few sectors, like Postage and Telegram Department, like railway, because its basic aim to provide the services. Its basic aim not to get the much profit. Even there is a loss, then this business is also running because the basic aim is to provide the services to the people. But in other hand, private sector enterprises run only if there is a profit. But in public sector enterprises, the basic aim is to provide the services to the people. So that's why some monopoly is in the hand of government, right? So some public sector enterprises faces the loss. So due to this, private sector enterprises do not take interest in these enterprises. So that's why some government enterprises are in the hand of government. They have the monopoly on it. Okay, government has the monopoly on it. These are the atomic energy, arms and railway transport. These departments are under the government, and government have full control on it, and government has monopoly on it. Because government having the basic aim to provide the services to the people, even they facing the loss. So student, these are the features of the public sector enterprises. I hope you listen carefully, you understand all the things, and I suggest to all of you, see the video once again and listen carefully, and then you can see or judge all the features are very simple and very interesting. In next video, we will discuss the forms of public enterprises. Thank you.